So I'm gonna be testing these switches. One, I know it's bad, but I'm gonna be testing which pin is dead. This one goes forward and backward for both lowering and raising the window. This one is jammed on the forward setting. So we're gonna start off with the good one, and let's see what happens with the continuity. When you have a wire and a switch is closed, it closes it, the line, and lets the electricity flow. As you can see here, when I close it, the electricity flows and the speaker sounds. So let's go ahead and test that out. So I put an alligator clip on my ground lead. So I'm going to hook it up to this pin. Of course, you have to test all the pins, but since I studied this one already before I made this video, I already know which one's going to change. When I push the switch, we have continuity. So that's for the button for lowering the window. This last one, we have continuity regardless of whether the switch is pressed. This one, we only have continuity when it's pressed. So this is the bad switch. Let's actually go ahead and show how that works on the good switch. Here we have continuity regardless of pushing, but when we push it here, there it is, continuity. Now, you turn it around. When we push the switch the other way, we have continuity here. But we lose continuity when the switch is pressed. That's between this pin on this far end right here and this pin. As you can see on our dead switch, it's stuck with no continuity. And I can't push it, so it doesn't go. So it's stuck in like the depressed setting. That's it right there. So anyways, we have to change the bad switch. And let's look at something interesting here. This one here says Nissan, Alps, and Japan. This one says, this is the broken one, Nissan, Alps, and China on the back. So no offense to any Chinese viewers out there, but as you can see, the Japanese one is of better quality than the Chinese one. And these were both on the same car. That's a bit unusual that it have switches of varying quality. But anyways, another way we know the switch was bad is by putting a good switch on there and it was working. Anyways, that's how you test more complex switches with a multimeter. You're gonna normally want a good switch to compare. Okay,